Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this wood hanger that I got from Dollar Tree. I removed the twine from it, brushed on antique wax by Waverly. Once I had a decent amount on there, I took a baby wipe and blended that all in, and I covered the entire board. Next, I'm taking these 2.5-inch wood letters I get from Amazon and painting them with black chalk paint. I do the front and sides of those. Once they're completely dry, I am taking antique white acrylic paint and I'm mixing it with some water, dipping a toothbrush in it, and then taking the handle of a paintbrush and hitting the back of the toothbrush to splatter the paint forward onto the letters. Then taking the same white color and painting this wood round that I got from Walmart. I do the front and sides of that as well. Once that's dry, I pencil on the eyes and the nose of a snowman. I then go over the eyes with the black Posca paint pen, and then take the back end of a paintbrush and dip it in some black chalk paint. You could use acrylic as well, and just dot on a bunch of circles for the mouth. I partially erase the nose I drew so you won't see it, and use my orange paint pen. Dip the back end of the paintbrush in the white paint and make some marks on the eyes, and then make a couple rosy cheeks. I place the letters down as well as the snowman for the O more towards the bottom of the board because I'll be making a bow for the top, and just attach those with some hot glue. For the bow, I'm just taking some different style ribbon and different sizes. These are all wired, but you don't need to use wired. I just find it works better at keeping the bow into place. The larger ribbons I cut in half, and then the smaller ones I just left how they were. I crisscross them back and forth in my hands, alternating the different pattern types until I have it nice and filled in. Once I have it filled in, I tie some twine around the center of it. And then go ahead and start trimming up some of the ribbons that are a little bit too long. Once I have it trimmed up, I open it back up and just pull apart and kind of pull forward the ribbons to make it nice and full. I add back in the hanger to the board and then hot glue the bow to the top. That's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.